Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back again in my another video. Today I'm back with a serious topic about Android phone. Sometimes we get the error like unfortunately the app is or the app has stopped working. Maybe you will get this error like Play Store or a game or another application. So in this video I will show you how to fix if you get this error. App has stopped working in Android. I will show you 2 or 3 ways to fix this problem. Hopefully one will work for you. So the first easiest thing is go to settings and then go to apps. Here find out which app is getting this problem. For example, you are getting this problem in Play Store or Chrome browser or any other application. For example, I'm gonna check APK editor. Suppose my APK editor do not work properly or it is crashing. So tap on it and then here tap on storage. Here you will get 2 options like clear caches and clear data. First clear caches and then tap on clear data. It will delete some settings. It won't delete your application. It will reset your application as factory reset. So tap on OK. It will clear all data and reset your application default settings. This is the first method to fix this problem and it's also very powerful. Hopefully it will fix your problem. Second thing is if you're showing uninstall or update, you can uninstall or install your application to fix this problem. So after this, if you face this problem again, here one more option like force stop. Tap on it and it will disable your application. So tap on OK and this app will disable. And when you open it again, it will open fresh copy for you and you don't see this problem again. The first method was clear data and caches and second method is force stop and open it again. If you're getting unfortunately app has stopped working for many apps like Google Play Store, Chrome browser, APK editor, music player, games and many other applications whatever. So here one more option to reset your application. Go to settings like these 3 dots and here you can see reset app preferences. Tap on it. This will reset all preferences for disabled apps notifications, default application for actions, background data restrictions for apps, any permission restrictions. Here good thing is you won't lose any app data. So you can tap on reset apps. It will reset all default settings of all application and hopefully your problem will fix. After trying this all action, if you can't fix your problem, then you have to factory reset in your mobile phone. Hopefully one trick will work for you. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.